On this episode of Inside the Blueprint, a company who's using data analytics to help you grow your business. Going green with experts in the industrial and commercial hydronic and steam systems. Plus, how a career in the trades can lead to more opportunities and long-term job security. These stories and so much more. Stay tuned. Every business has data that drives their business. The more data you're able to accumulate and access, the easier it'll be to shape good decisions. Predictive Analytics Group, or PAG, has the capabilities and answers to help shape your future.
We are an analytic consulting firm. We work with our partners, help them better understand their data, use their data to better dictate their actions and problem solve their issues that they have in their day-to-day businesses. The biggest solutions we try to help them with is optimizing their profitability and minimizing their hurdles along the way. We started out as a data analytics company. We branched out to be a full-service management consulting business, specializing anywhere from operations to compliance and regulatory, all the way through fraud and credit, and really span the full spectrum of management consulting services, even though we started out just on the data and analytics side. Predictive Analytics Group, we primarily serve the financial services industry with banks, credit unions, fintechs, data service providers. We also serve healthcare industry, casinos, betting platforms, healthcare services, colleges and universities. So it's been a pretty good expansion of the business since we started 8 years ago.
You may already have a good handle on your company's sales, services, and operations. And with PAG as a partner, you'll have a better handle on the analytics to optimize many of your decisions.
PAG works with clients in a variety of ways, but two of our most common projects are we work with organizations to help optimize their collections departments and make sure they're efficient and effective in doing so. We also work to build underwriting models with many of our clients so that they can book more profitable consumer loan products through advanced analytics and through their experience with PAG. There are a number of benefits to working with PAG, but I would say our biggest benefit is the experience of our people. Most of our employees have 15 to 20 years of client-side management experience, which gives them a very real-world feel into both our clients' positions and the quality of the deliverable they need to make an impact on their organizations.
One of the main things that we do at Predictive Analytics Group, unlike a lot of other consulting firms, is we staff people who have been in the seats of our clients, who have been in the business for 20 plus years. So that way they understand not only what the data is telling them, but how it's going to react in their day-to-day and everyday lives. So that allows us to take the data and drive the decisions based not on just what the data tells them alone, but what knowledge and experience has led to be able to make optimal decisions. Blending art with science is one of our core facets that we want to approach with each one of our clients, is not just giving them what the data is telling them and helping with the analytics, but also providing them knowledge and experience that we've seen of how things work in the real world. So that way there's a blend of the data analytics, which everybody's striving to optimize, as well as common sense and understanding of what's going to work in the real world.
Also, PAG has their own proprietary data and analytics platform.
Goblin is our data and analytics platform that we designed internally originally for ourselves to ingest data from our clients, manage it in the data visualization, data virtualization in a streamlined environment in a relational format so we can really work with their data. We found that it was a very, very unique system that allowed our clients to really benefit from it, and we rolled that out as a product solution about 3 years ago to our clients so they can leverage what we benefit from on a day-to-day basis.
One of the biggest advantages to working with PAG is the partnering type of relationship we take with our clients. Most of our clients actually view us as valued partners as opposed to a consultancy, and we really pride ourselves in delivering that type of experience to our clients.
Partnership is one of our core mandates that we try to approach with each one of our clients. We want to make sure we're there for them, whether it's short-term or long-term projects. We want to make sure they look at us as a partner, not just as a service provider.
For more information about Predictive Analytics Group, visit their website, predictiveanalyticsgroup.net. And of course, visit our website, insidetheblueprint.com. Industrial and commercial HVAC systems have come a long way. It's time to go green as we take an expert look at the latest innovations helping commercial buildings perform more sustainably and efficiently.
We represent manufacturers, specifically boilers, water heaters, and venting systems. So we sell hydronic boilers, we sell steam boilers, we sell venting systems. And we can assist with your hot water boiler needs for building heat. We can provide steam for whatever steam needs your building needs. And we provide water heaters for domestic needs. UEP Northeast is very fortunate to have a technical and experienced sales staff. We have multiple mechanical engineer degreed salesmen on staff who work closely with the local consulting engineering community and ultimately sell our products to the local mechanical contractors and sheet metal contractors. We take what we hear from our clients, what their needs are for their building, what efficiency they need, what goals they have, what loads and demands they need, and choose from our robust product offering specific products and equipment and solutions to match their needs. And this is from an efficiency standpoint, from a budget standpoint, from a project timeline standpoint. We have a product offering that really meets essentially any need from any project, deadlines, schedules, and performance requirements.
They serve a variety of industries using the latest technology.
Industries that we serve here at UEP Northeast include education, healthcare, life science and biotechnology, as well as hospitality and multifamily. The main benefits to our clients that we provide is a partnership to help them provide the latest design and technology solutions for their clients, whether that's the latest in sustainability or problems as simple as a new heating system for an existing building. That partnership is going to leverage all of our expertise and engineering experience, as well as our manufacturers, product, technology, and knowledge to help our customers provide the best solution for the situation, whether that's complex as process steam or as simple as a building retrofit that we do on an everyday basis. When we're working with a customer or a client, some of the things that we do for them is help them with the initial equipment selection, whether that's dimensional equipment or performance information, as well as selecting the right type of equipment for their application. So that could be as simple as selecting the right boiler type, whether it's a fire tube or water tube boiler, or a fuel type, whether it's natural gas, propane, or dual fuel, anything that could be different for the different solutions or problems within a building. So in recent years, many of our clients have been addressed with sustainability, electrification, and decarbonization needs from their customers. And one of the things that we've been able to do here at UEP Northeast, leveraging our partners at Fulton and their new products, is provide them with different products and solutions that use and address those issues, mainly on the consumption of the fuel they use, whether that's all electric, natural gas with low emission, or a combination of electric and natural gas in a hybrid application.
Fulton, regionally represented by UEP Northeast, has been at the forefront of the latest sustainable technologies for nearly 75 years.
Fulton has been a pioneer of innovative heat transfer technologies for over 7 decades, with many industry firsts, all focused and aimed at assisting our clients with their sustainability goals. Research and development has been part of Fulton's DNA from the beginning. We're constantly looking at and evaluating and developing new technologies that assist with decreasing our clients' carbon footprints, increasing their efficiencies, making sure that our equipment is extremely durable, which are all key features of any sustainability goals. Fulton has recently introduced our VSRT-E steam boiler. The VSRT design incorporates a natural gas-fired low-emissions burner along with zero-emissions electric elements. The VSRT allows the facilities to switch between gas or electricity based on peak demands or based on preference. There's a significant opportunity for them to decrease their carbon footprint and also decrease emissions and give them flexible options for the future.
Fulton is pioneering sustainability through innovation with the latest in product and system designs.
We have been incorporating low emissions designs for over 30 years. With those low emissions burner technologies, we've decreased NOx emissions by 90% compared to conventional burners used in the industry today. What we've understood through this sustainability process is that there's not one solution that fits all. So the approach that Fulton has taken is really to look at the infrastructure that the client has, determine what they have available today, and then future-proof the design for tomorrow to allow them to make sure that they have the ability to switch to alternative fuels as the infrastructure changes. With a hybrid system design, we have the ability of incorporating both ultra-high efficiency natural gas condensing boilers along with zero emissions electric boilers into the same system. So what this allows is for us to utilize the current infrastructure that the client has, and then knowing that we can switch over and use more of the zero emissions electric boilers as their infrastructure increases. Fulton has a full line of electric zero emission steam and hydronic boilers. Electrification is being used quite a bit in the industry. And so this is getting a lot of attention as people look at sustainability and reducing their carbon footprint. Fulton is focused on meeting each of our clients' sustainability goals. We know that every approach to sustainability is different, so we want to make sure that we're working closely with good partnerships with our representatives like UEP Northeast across the country to be able to provide those sustainability solutions and meet everyone's carbon emission reduction goals.
We are a team-based sales organization. We are very collaborative. We have a very technical, experienced sales staff and a very robust product offering where we have essentially a product for any application. And one thing that you will always get with UEP Northeast is we will always make sure your customer is satisfied with the products that we sell and that we will not leave a job until our equipment is operating as intended.
For more information on UEP Northeast or Fulton, visit their websites, uepnortheast.com and fulton.com. And of course, visit our website at insidetheblueprint.com. Given today's competitive job market, lots of different opportunities exist. Sometimes overlooked are the abundant career opportunities in specialized trades. As the cost of earning a traditional college degree continues to escalate, with many grads facing sky-high college debt and uncertain job prospects, today's trade school graduates are reaping the benefits of not just plentiful job opportunities, but generous incomes and long-term security.
Working in the trades today is extremely important, whether it's going to a trade school or a junior college to get certified. If you think about it, you can come to work, get to go to a school, get certified within 6 months, 2 years, and come to work, get into the economy and go from there and really build a career. Reliance Steel and Aluminum is a Fortune 500 company. We've been around since 1939. We're actually a metals solution provider. We operate in the United States and 13 other countries around the world. And we've been mentioned in Fortune 500 magazine as one of the world's most admired companies. It's a really fine place to work, and it's a place you can come and build a career. It's the kind of company I would like my kids to work in, because you can come to work and build a career, and there's many opportunities.
Founded in 1939 and ranked as one of the world's most admired companies, Reliance Steel and Aluminum Company is a leading global diversified metal solutions provider and the largest metals service center in North America. Operating as a family of companies under more than 75 different brand names, Reliance has a network of 300-plus locations in 40 states and 13 countries.
Driving for Crest Steel has been rewarding. It's offered me the opportunity to advance my skill set. It's just offered the opportunity for me to grow with the company. I've been doing this for 25 plus years, and it's a great company to work for. I personally have seen people advance through the company, working in the warehouse and advancing to positions, supervisory positions. They make you feel like family.
There's a lot of opportunities for growth, and if you need at some time to move to another part of the company, we're nationwide. So you could always come, you're gonna have somewhere to go. I've really enjoyed working for Reliance.
I think it's really good to start a career here. I know college isn't always the easiest thing to do, and money isn't always easy. There's a lot of jobs that aren't very stable, and this company, it's been really great to me. I honestly would say that I'd recommend it for other people, even if they're in college or if they're not in college.
And one of the best things that, not just one of many that keeps me at Reliance, it's always room for growth, always learning, and always able to help others. You know, with Reliance coming in, it just bonded us, it made us stronger to be part of Reliance. The opportunities, the benefits, everything, it just opens the door.
You want to be part of something, build something, come work for Reliance Steel, an employer that cares about your safety and puts employee first. Above all, come work for Reliance Aluminum. If you're willing to work and you're willing to learn, you're going to advance in this company.
We go above and beyond for what we do, and we take care of each other and make sure everybody's safe in the environment we work in. Working for Reliance Steel is a great opportunity to get you going, and I would tell a young person, if you want to work for a company like this, it's a great company to work for, and you can move up for, you know, whatever you want to do there.
Making worker safety a top priority is front and center at the nation's best industrial companies. Reliance Steel and Aluminum Company is leading the way.
Our Reliance CEO, Jim Hoffman, and the Reliance safety team have built a culture foundation on safety, personal relationships. And what that is that if we know a little bit more about our employees on a personal level, then we're more apt to look after them and make sure that they go home well at the end of the day. If I know you have family members that depend on you, then I know that you need to be there for them, and therefore I need to look out for your safety.
The company is run on a couple of things. First and foremost, the safety of our people. We do the right things. We care about our people, and integrity really matters at our company. So if you're the kind of person that wants to come to work in a good industry and build a career, this is a really good, fine place to work.
If you're considering a career as a skilled tradesperson and desire joining a world-class company in your state or another, discover more at rsac.com/careers. Movable partition walls have been a practical way to divide spaces for over a century, most notably in hotel ballrooms, convention centers, and school gymnasiums. Founded in 1900, Hufcor is the world's most installed brand of operable partitions and glass wall solutions. Today, Hufcor's products and designs can be found across the globe, from the largest convention centers and entertainment arenas to schools, universities, hotels, and retail storefronts, all combining function and aesthetics.
We work with architects, contractors, and building owners across many industries and around the world to help them maximize their space and truly understand what's possible. When BrandStar Studios reached out to Hufcor, we saw an opportunity to help them better utilize their studio space. In addition, we had the opportunity to explore some of our patented innovations.
I've been the host of the Balancing Act for more than 10 years. We have 43,000 square feet to offer, but it was unfortunately divided with a wall that kind of obstructed both sides. We needed to find a way to divide the area when we wanted to. In other words, shoot two shows going on at the same time. So we had to find something that was functional, high-tech, and easy to use.
The design process begins with collaboration, discussing the client's needs as well as using Partition Studio program software. This proprietary software program allows for easy input of operable partition dimensions and design criteria that produces quick turnaround CAD drawings as well as pricing to provide the client with a budget or a complete proposal. There are also many additional options available for the walls, such as storage locations, support type, and accessories.
We decided to bring to this wall at BrandStar some of our most recent technology and also high-end finishes and features that are not usually seen in a wall. We wanted to provide the customer a solution that is not just having a wall separating the two spaces. You also wanted to see something exciting in the wall. We brought to life an experience in the space.
Today, I'm meeting up with Zach Friedrich, Vice President of Global Business Development at Hufcor, who's going to show me how they've also integrated technology into our partition. Hi, Zach.
Olga, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Good.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
And I got to tell you, this is, wow. I mean, amazing compared to what we used to have, that block wall, which we took down. Tell me about this.
We put an operable wall in here, but one of the challenges that come with operable walls is you have to have some overhead support, typically. This is a retrofit opportunity. So what we used here is what we call our Unispan system. And our Unispan system is a floor-supported, pre-engineered truss that carries the weight of the partitions to the floor. And so everything is hung from the Unispan, and then the plenum was built, and then the walls are hung from the track of the Unispan.
What about in terms of opening and closing? Because, you know, we like to use both studios sometimes at the same time.
Right.
Is it easy to do that?
It's really easy to move these walls. You know, they operate on 2 trolleys overhead, because this is what we call an omnidirectional system, and they just glide along the track. So simple in and out of a pocket, and then they're brought out and set into place.
Is there power inside as well?
Yeah, so that's one really cool feature about this wall is we have power inside the panels, which is why you can see some of the lighting here. We've got a patented product that connects panel to panel and brings electric current through the entire wall when the panels are set up.
I love the lights, I love the design. I think it just changes the wall and makes it into something spectacular. Any more colors?
Yeah, so we can do a lot of different colors. So what we have here is LED lights behind a perforated metal face. And so all we have to do is push the touch of a button, and we're changing the lights in the room. We can even do a yellow like your dress.
So we can actually have fun in the studio and do a design back here, and it becomes so different.
Yeah, for sure. So Olga, now I can see you, but let me show you something really cool.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Now this comes in handy. Okay, let me try to see you again.
All right.
What a great feature, Zach.
Yeah, isn't that great?
It is. All right, come join me in Studio B.
Will do.
Hufcor can shape a room or a massive space by providing flexible sight and sound separation, giving the customers the ability and flexibility to control their atmosphere. Aesthetics are essential, and Hufcor offers a wide range of finish options that will meet your design criteria for any project.
Another great asset is this fabulous TV.
Yeah, so we were able to mount a ultra LED TV right into the panel, and it'll enhance the quality of your show like I did here.
Oh, there you go. Fantastic. You know, I never knew you could do so much with a wall.
I know, it's really cool when you start thinking outside of the box with some of these things.
Talk about really stepping up our studio. Really appreciate it.
Awesome. I'm glad we were here to help you guys.
Great job. I mean, fantastic.
Thank you.
By offering the widest range of glass, operable, vertical lift, and accordion partitions, Hufcor is ready to meet any space challenge. If you're ready to realize what's possible within your space, visit Hufcor.com. And for more information, you can also visit us at InsideTheBlueprint.com. Remember the days of frustratingly scrolling through call boxes at a friend's house or an office building and calling via the intercom to get buzzed in? Well, that was so yesterday. Today, LiftMaster's smart video intercom makes gaining access as simple as saying, "Open Sesame." We're at the Chicago headquarters of LiftMaster's parent company, the Chamberlain Group. Jenny Lytle, General Manager of Access Controls and Community Services, will tell us about the latest door and gate access technology for both business and residential applications.
In older call boxes, all of the data and the uploading of that data is done at the site. With the LiftMaster Smart Access Control System, you can update anything from the cloud, which means from your laptop, from anywhere. Property managers with the LiftMaster Smart Community Access System are able to easily have a bird's eye view of the community. So what they can do is onboard their residents, make any changes as residents move in and out. It is reliable, secure, and very easy to use. About 75% of people do not feel secure in their homes. 86% of millennials and 65% of baby boomers would pay more to live in apartment buildings with services like ours. And safety and security are their top concerns when they're looking.
People's hectic lives in the 21st century means we often need a secure way to give delivery people, housekeepers, landscapers, repair people, dog walkers, and utility workers access to our property when we aren't home. LiftMaster's smart video intercom enables you to go about your day uninterrupted.
People are getting more packages delivered than ever. Our LiftMaster solutions allow residents to be not at home and still allow the delivery person through the front door with the visibility of video. This avoids things like porch pirates, theft, and inclement weather ruining or taking away their packages.
LiftMaster's Smart Video Intercom is a game changer in the industry. The newest model launched in June of 2021, so it's fresh on the scene. Rebecca Patterson, Group Product Manager of Access Controls for the Chamberlain Group, explains this model's powerful combinations of reliable hardware and innovative MyQ technology.
What sets us apart from the competition is that we bring a complete perimeter access solution. With the integration of our LiftMaster gate operators as well as our access credential, community and property managers can manage not just the main entry room, a gym room, a pool room, a laundry room, or any access point they wish to manage within their community. Our access control solution is a cloud-based solution, so all of the video events are stored within a cloud. If by chance the internet goes out, we do provide 1,000 video activity events that can be recorded at the unit. A video doorbell is primarily a solution for a single-family home that allows a primary user to see who's at that doorbell. In many cases, they can't allow entry into the actual home. Our LiftMaster Smart Video Intercom system is really intended for multi-dwelling units where you have multiple tenants that can see who is at that access unit before they grant entry into the building. With the introduction of video in our access control unit and the MyQ Community app, residents can have a one-way video conversation and a two-way audio conversation so they can visually see who is at the unit. With the introduction of the Press to Unlock feature, residents can now open up authorized access point by pressing a button on their smartphone.
LiftMaster's Smart Video Intercom is available nationwide. If you're a business or landlord interested in having it installed in your building, entrance, or gate, go to myq.com/community or insidetheblueprint.com for more information. For more information about anything you've seen on today's show, or to become part of Inside the Blueprint, visit our website, insidetheblueprint.com.